Hi, in front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate your downloads. Begin by looking for an app called Downloads. After you find it, click on it. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. You can also go into File Manager instead. Click on Phone Storage and select the download folder. Then look for your downloads located in phone storage instead of SD card. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!